From C, I have dropped a perpendicular. From C, I have dropped a perpendicular. Let these perpendicular, we call it as a D. Second point, CD is perpendicular to AB. CD is perpendicular to AB. Next one, if you observe carefully, perpendicular means this angle is 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, if I call angle B as a theta, this entire value, it is 90 degrees. This entire value, it is 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, this will also be 90 degrees. Angle in a straight line is 180 degrees. This is 90, this is theta. This will become 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. This is 90, this is 90 minus theta. This will become theta. Entire thing is 90, so this will become 90 minus theta. This will become 90 minus theta. I hope the idea it is clear. ACB. ACB is a right angled triangle. Angle C is 90 degrees. Theta 90. This will become 90 minus theta. Theta 90, 90 minus theta. This is a perpendicular that is dropped. So CD, it is 90 degrees. Theta 90, this is 90 minus theta. Entire value is 90. So this will be theta. Entire angle in a straight line is 180. 90, 90. 90 theta, 90 minus theta. 90 theta, 90 minus theta. Now if you observe very, very closely, ACB. ACB. See here. Angle A is 90 minus theta. Angle C is 90 degrees. Angle B is theta. Angle B is theta. 90 minus theta, 90 theta. Where all you got 90 minus theta, 90 theta, 90 minus theta, 90 theta. 90 minus theta, which is A in another triangle. 90 it is D. Then theta it is C. Here we will write down. In this triangle ABC, here it is triangle ADC. A it is 90 minus theta. D it is 90. D it is 90. And C it is theta. C it is theta. These both are similar. If three angles of a triangle are equivalent to three angles of next triangle, they both are similar. Next one, where is 90 minus theta, 90 theta? 90 minus theta, 90 theta. So this will be 90 minus theta. C, 90 it is D. 90 minus theta, DB. C it is 90 minus theta. D it is 90. B it is theta. 90 minus theta, 90 theta. Are you all similar? So these three triangles are similar to each other. Very, very important property. Theta 90, 90 minus theta. Theta 90, 90 minus theta. Theta 90, 90 minus theta. The first important observation is outer triangles have got angles theta 90, 90 minus theta. Inside top also theta 90, 90 minus theta. Inside bottom also theta 90, 90 minus theta. Inside top and bottom are also theta 90, 90 minus theta. Outer triangle is similar to inside top. Outer triangle is similar to inside bottom. Inside top and bottom are also similar to each other. Why similar to each other? Because three angles in a triangle are similar. Now if you observe closely, let me take an ACB is similar to ADC. ACB. If I take AC, I am taking ACB. ACB is this triangle. In these ACB, listen carefully. AC by AC is which angle? In these ACB, theta opposite, it is AC. Theta opposite, it is AC. It is similar to ADC. Theta opposite, it is AD. AC by AD are similar. First two sides. If it is similar to AC by AD is equivalent to BC by DC. Can I write BC by DC? Let us see. In a triangle ABC, BC is 90 minus theta. BC is 90 minus theta. In these triangle, so BC it is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is CD. So first two, AC divided by AD is equivalent to BC divided by DC. It is equivalent to AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Are you all with me? So if I take first and third, AC by AD is equivalent to AB by AC. AB by AC. So this will become AC whole square is equivalent to AB into AD. AC whole square is equivalent to AB into AD. First point clear? AC whole square is equivalent to AB into AD. I took these two triangles. Let me take first and third. First and third if I take, this is with ACB is similar to ADC. ACB is similar to ADC. Sir, how you got this value? Again I am explaining. AC by AD. How you got AC? Suppose in ABC triangle, theta opposite it is AC. In these triangle, theta opposite it is AD. So these are the two sides opposite to theta. These are the two sides opposite to theta. How you got BC? BC is, if you observe here, BC is 90 minus theta. Here it is 90 minus opposite theta, it is CD. So these are the sides opposite to 90 minus theta. These are the sides opposite to 90. Are you all with me? Very, very important, sir. Otherwise you will end up mugging it. ACB is similar to ADC. The third property, ACB is similar to CDB. ACB is similar to CDB. So if I take first two, AC by CD is equivalent to BC by BD is equivalent to AB by BC. AB by BC. Are you all with me? So if you observe, AC by CD is equivalent to CB by DB is equivalent to AB by BC. AB by BC. If I cross multiply, BC into BC is BC square. BC square is AB into BD. BC square is AB into BD. BC square is AB into BD. I hope it is clear. So if you observe here, AC square is AB into AD. BC square is AB into BD. If I add both of them, AC whole square plus BC whole square, AC whole square plus BC whole square, it is equivalent to AC whole square is AB into AD. AB into AD plus AB into BD. AB into BD. So AB, if I take common, it is AD plus BD. AD plus BD. What is AD plus BD? AD plus BD. It is AB. AB into AB, it is AB whole square. This is the proof of Pythagorean theorem. What is Pythagorean theorem? Largest side whole square. What is largest side whole square? AB whole square equivalent to AC square plus BC square. AB whole square equivalent to AC square plus BC square. I hope the idea it is clear. AB square equivalent to AC whole square plus BC whole square. I hope the idea it is very, very clear, right? How Pythagorean theorem came into picture. How Pythagorean theorem came into picture.